What's up guys, your Biglee here. When it comes to broad shoulder look, which every boy, every man wants, from the front, it's your upper chest that determines the width of your shoulder. So to build that upper chest, your inclined presses are very important. And the most important thing you should notice while doing an inclined press is, a lot of people use an angle that is too high. When the angle moves too high, your pressure shifts more to your front delt than your chest. So I recommend either 45 degrees or 30 degrees for an incline press, and then you're able to place maximum load on your upper chest. The rules of doing incline presses are just similar like your any normal press. Only thing is the angle is a little different here. I'm on position, pressing all the way up, contracting the muscle, stretch all the way down. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale and inhale. When it comes to the incline presses, dumbbells, as I said, gives you more range of motion, so you can build that thick mass and find more definition with the dumbbells. If you feel that your upper chest is lagging, then I would want you to try doing it with a barbell so that you can overload with additional poundage that can stimulate growth. Until the next episode and the next exercise, it's your Biglee, over and out.